And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, this force creates an impact. This impact creates energy, or emerges. Energy emerges. And the force creates an impact and vibrates. Energy emerges and vibrates. And then it propagates at, let's say, around 700 plus miles an hour. And the sound is propagating, Now, sound is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. But sound from a three-dimensional perspective is an expanding sphere. I can never pronounce it, a good expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles an hour. It has amplitude, a frequency, it has velocity.